Pinterest is a powerful visual search engine that can help you make money by leveraging your creativity. Here's how to do it. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links through pins to promote products. When users click on your pin and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Use Pinterest's rich pins to directly link products from affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Promote your own products. If you have an e-commerce store, create pins to showcase your products. Link the pins directly to your store for easy purchasing. Sponsored pins. As your Pinterest account grows and you gain followers, brands may approach you to create sponsored pins. You'll be paid to create pins that promote their products or services. Offer Pinterest management services. If you're skilled at Pinterest marketing, offer your services as a Pinterest manager. Help businesses set up and manage their accounts, create pins, and drive traffic to their websites. Create digital products. Design and sell digital products like printables, planners, or templates. Promote them with pins that link back to your sales page.